I've been spinning in your storm, lost in the tide, trying to find my way out, trying to survive. But I see the pattern, it's always the same. 3 days of sunlight, then back to the rain. You hold me tight, then let me fall, like I don't matter at all. Your chaos is a cage, but I've had enough. Breaking free now, I gotta get tough. Did you ever really know me? Or just the version you wanted to see? I won't be guilted, I won't be chained. This is my fight, breaking the chain. I'm trying to break away, find my own sky. Won't be trapped in your cycle, no more lies. You can't control me, not this time. I'm stepping out, I'm claiming what's mine. Every cycle I see your mask. I've learned your game, I've got your past, but I am more than your obsession, looking for my own direction. Did you ever really know me? Or was I just part of your captivity? No more guilt tripping, I'm gone. Stronger now, I move on. I'll try to break away, find my own sky. Won't be trapped in your cycle, no more lies. You can't control me, not this time. I'm stepping out, I'm claiming what's mine. Three days of peace, then chaos is called. But I am rising, I'm standing tall. Your pattern's broken, I'm free at last. Chasing my future, melting your past. This is my new beginning, my own road, no longer under your heavy load. Trying to break away, that's my vow. Watch me fly